Okay, set out of the pool for this survey is currently based on the pool running across the yard like this, with the bench seat on the far side, and it's the set out of the customer, Christos, the pink set out. So what I've done is I've set it out from this corner here, essentially aligning my survey plate, which is in the water, from here, and setting it out to the internal dimensions of the pool. So this set out from the plinth board of the rear fence is about 2.5 metres. So we'll call that 2.5 metres. More of that in a moment. And then the set out from the garage wall here is around 2 metres. So on our detailed pool position plan, if this were to be the pool set out, we'd have 2 metres here, and 2 dimensions which I would have actually off the house wall, so parallel to the house wall rather than the rear fence, and they'll have to be calculated. But in case the paving or decking comes off the house parallel to the house wall, we don't necessarily want it parallel at 2.5 to the rear boundary, which is not necessarily square to the house. At this stage, the Christos, your lines were at about 600, as you said, from this side fence. Ideally, for ease of approval of the project, we'd have it at 1 metre. I've set it out based on your set out and the internals from that corner at 5.8 internal this way and 3,180 the other. So the 5.8 gets us to here, which is in fact 750. But I think I will ask my draftsperson to make it 1 metre. So 250 further this way, just for our idealised set out, which means that my one red dimension here is quite easy, because that's 2 metres, I think I said, minus 250, so 1750. So 1750 from this wall of the pool to the garage, and this is the wall where the bench seat runs all the way through. Then as for the other 2 dimensions this way, I'm yet to calculate what they are, because they need to be based on the shorter, let's say the shorter distance that I measured across the pool this way and across the pool this way. Then the pool equipment zone, about 5.5 metres. The tape is spread out to 5.5 metres to this survey point here. And that's how we've set it out at this point.